So that's it for my prawns and my liver. That's my mixed vegetables. I put curry in it and like a little bit of seasoning, and then this is my chicken. I'm gonna cook it and put it in the oven afterwards. And my spring onions. That's pretty much it. I'm about to just cut onions right now. So yeah. Guys, I've washed my rice so many times. You don't have to do that, but I just don't know regardless. So yeah, I just put curry and a little bit of seasoning and oil. So I'm just gonna put it on fire and put some water in it. It's blurry. Okay, so my curry is a bit dark, so that's why the color is dark. So use whatever color you use, just don't use turmeric. If you want to use turmeric, that's not my advice. Unless you want to be healthy, which is not going to be nice, but each to their own. So yeah, I'm just going to leave that for like 10 minutes or 5 minutes because I want it to overboil. I'm going to come back to it. I'll show you what happens later. So now I'm going to put the ginger in the pot, as you can see. This video was done in a while, so I don't remember why I done this after that. But that ginger and garlic paste is so lang. Oh yeah, onions, of course. Yeah, now we'll see the sizzling, splashing, burning people. Now we stir. Add some little bit of oil in it because, you know, why not? It's fried rice. You're meant to fry the damn rice, so might as well get your frying. So I think I left the oil onions there to simmer for a bit. Oh, I added more ginger and garlic, but after that I'm probably gonna leave it there to simmer for a bit, and then let it fry and bring out its own natural organic taste.